Of us who are making payments on time, in some cases, in order to do that, draining savings, maybe even cracking into your retirement account just to keep up.
Yeah, is that the smart thing to do? Seems like you can't catch a break until you actually stop paying. Tonight, we got some advice from a local attorney, Matt Englett. Matt, once and for all, yes, no, will a bank modify your mortgage if you are current, or do you have to really force the issue by falling behind?
No, you don't have to. If you qualify for the HAMP program, which you may have heard a lot about in the news media, you can qualify for that program and get your loan modified in that program if you're current on your mortgage. You can be behind or current, but if you're current, that's the only program where you can go in and get your mortgage modified, is the HAMP program.
Are they more willing to listen to you if you're behind and you've got an attorney who's also handling your stuff?
No, not with the HAMP program. The HAMP program's real simple. If you qualify for it, you get it.
Okay.
If you don't qualify for it, then your only option is to fall behind on your mortgage and lawyer up.
What about the people who just walk away? Does a bank prefer that somebody's in the home maintaining it? People who just walk away, not only are they avoiding the debt somewhat, but that asset, the house itself, is depreciating in some way.
Absolutely. I always tell people it's the worst thing you can do is to walk away from your home. Number one, the bank does want someone in there maintaining the home so that they can sell it quicker.
Right.
And number two, it's not going to just go away. They're going to eventually come after you for the money they lose on that property.
Hey, aren't banks insured against this? I've heard some people say, you know, banks would rather work with you than have you just stop paying, but do they care? I mean, they still get their money in the end some way, don't they?
No, they don't. That's not true.
Okay.
There's not always mortgage insurance. In some cases, there's mortgage insurance. But again, the mortgage insurance company, after they pay out the claim, can still sue you, and they will sue you for the amount of money they had to pay out on that insurance. But that's only in some cases.
Okay, this is an ugly side to this that I've heard about. Banks working with people just to show that they're trying and that the government sees that they're trying, and then before they actually modify, right as they get to the end of it, they sell it to another lender, and then the homeowner's got to start over at square one. Is that happening?
That is happening,
Yeah.
but one thing your viewers should know is that if that happens to them, you can hold the new bank accountable. If your old bank cut a deal with you on a loan modification and the new bank tries to get out of it, you can hold them accountable for it, but unfortunately you have to go through the court system to do that.
All right, well, it's an ugly world out there in the foreclosure world. Matt Englett, good to have you in here giving us some sound advice.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks. By the way, Matt kept talking about HAMP. Well, that stands for Home Affordable Modification Program. If you do need to, you should look into that. And if you'd like that information on how you can apply for HAMP, just go to myfoxorlando.com and then click the Seen on TV tab.